How to play Roblox without downloading it. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser like Chrome, Microsoft, or Edge on your device. Then you want to type in www.roblox.com in the address bar and press enter. Then you want to log in if you already have a Roblox account. If you don't though, just select sign up and then create a new account via your credentials. Then use the search bar or browse the game section to pick a game you want to try. Currently, Roblox requires the app or client to play games. However, you can use Roblox Studio's web preview to try some educational or promotional demos that might run in browser, but these are limited and not full game experiences. Some alternatives is that you can play Roblox on some devices without full installation by using Roblox on Xbox or mobile devices, which require downloads, or you can use cloud gaming services that may offer Roblox streaming. You can also use a web browser that's called now.gg, so click on that, and then you can just find the game Roblox and play this online. Keep in mind, I'm not held responsible if you play this game and then your account gets hacked, so play at your own risk. If this helps you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.